am Digdarshini. So today's video is going to be super fun and interesting video. So stay tuned till the end because in this video I am going to react to your photographs. Actually it was a challenge given by me to you guys on Instagram. By the way, if you are not following on Instagram yet, you should be get going there. So coming back to today's video, I am going to react to all your photographs which were submitted by all of you for the challenge. I am super pumped up and excited to react to them. I am super proud of each one of you who took time from their schedule and made some efforts to take part in this challenge. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get going. So the first picture has been submitted by a digital art face. So I'll show the picture here. You can see the whole vibe of this picture is super amazing. I love the concept. Not just her portrait, her whole body is in the frame, which I love the most. And the most special thing about this picture is that the cards has been made by her. So these are handmade cards and I love the effort she has put in this picture. Thank you so much. I totally love it. But about the shortcomings, if I talk in this picture, I have told you earlier that do not add too many elements in the picture because the picture then looks quite put on or artificial. So in this case, it is exactly happening like that. So my only suggestion to you will be try to avoid too many elements in the picture so that it does not look fake. Keep it minimal. Experimenting is a good thing, but then you shouldn't be overdoing it. So apart from that, I totally love the picture. I loved how graceful she looked. The whole setup looks amazing, and I think she also has made herself wear the shoes as well by editing, which is a great work. So well done. So the next picture has been submitted by Ananya Mahapatra. So this is her picture. I totally loved watching the BTS of this picture because in this picture she has used a GI wire to connect all the cards and then pose with them. Loved the idea. I mean, I have seen these type of ideas everywhere, but I never had the guts to actually try them out. And her expressions are so refined, sophisticated and elegant. All the pictures that you have posted in the carousel, I totally loved all of them. So good job. For some reason, I think her outfit is the most striking part about this picture. She has managed to kill me with the outfit, and also I think her whole outfit is very psychedelic yet very lively and vivid, just like a Joker of the card. So I totally love this whole concept. Also, she is wearing 2 cards on each ear as her earrings, which is commendable again. So congratulations to you, babe. Also, I love how you used your baker boy hat. I love the makeup, love her expressions. Everything is just picture perfect. So good job, babe. So the next submission is by Sneha from Bangalore. Hi Sneha. So this is her picture. I love the whole concept of dark portraits. I mean, dark portraits are something I genuinely love and they look very versatile and phenomenal. So well done, Sneha. I totally love this concept. She is showcasing a concept of burning cards, which is amazing. I loved it. The best thing about this picture, I guess, is her expressions and the color balance. If you look at this picture very carefully, you will see that the whole color balance is very apt in this picture. I love the idea also. If I talk about the shortcomings of this picture, I know that the burning card has been edited by you. The only thing I didn't like about this picture is that you haven't added the shadows, because agar card burn ho raha hai, so you should have a glow or shadow of it on your hands. In fact, on your face as well. So keep that in mind next time when you create such things. So talking about the next picture, which has been submitted by Dentico. So here is our picture. Have a look at it. It is so different than usual. I mean, I haven't seen something like this anywhere, so kudos to you for trying this out. If I talk about her whole looks and attire, she looks like a monarch or a queen. Her expressions are so noble and sophisticated, don't you think so? And if I talk about the prop she has used, that was the playing cards. So she is holding a huge frame of cards. Also, she has edited the cards as a crown over her head, which is what I love the most in this picture. If I talk about the shortcomings of this picture, everything is looking nice apart from the shadows. I think there are no shadows at all, because something which is rising above your head from behind, there should be shadows, isn't it? Shadows could have been much better, but overall it looks great, so well done. Okay, so the next picture has been submitted by Miss Devil. So here is a picture. Doesn't it look nice? She has used all the spade cards from the deck, and she has used all the cards to surround her eye in the form of kaleidoscope or a circle. I love the idea, and your eyes are popping up. I think if you would have done a eye makeup, or expressions could have been much better. So one thing I would like to give you a suggestion, that apart from the usage of a prop and editing, expressions are equally important. If expressions are not there or expressions are lacking, the picture looks very bland. So that's about it. I think your idea is fabulous. Everything is nice. Alright, so moving on to the next picture, which has been submitted by Real Dars, and this is her picture. Oh gosh, I need to tell you this, that this is one of the best pictures in the challenge, because look at her efforts. This shows that she was so serious about this challenge. I loved how much effort she has put in this picture. Her whole attire looks very convincing, and her outfit is totally jamming with the vibe of the challenge. Look at her veil that she has put over her head, and her hairstyle, her outfit, her look, her makeup, everything is just top notch. So she has used the prop in so many ways, and that too so perfectly. So she has done a little DIY, or you can call it as an art and craft. So she has used the cards to make it as a hat, and she placed it over her head. Also she used the cards as a neck crown, or you can call a necklace. And from the carousel post that she has posted on Instagram, I picked up this picture as well of hers. And in this picture, a lot of things are going on. Few of her cards are free flowing. She is dropping few cards. So I totally love the idea. So good job. The next submission is by Pragya Sharma, and I need to tell you that I am in so much love with this picture of hers. She looks like a card herself, who is waiting or ready to play a deck of cards with someone else. Her expressions are so subtle, so composed and calm. I love how she got into the character of a card. I mean, she looks like a card herself, doesn't she? Okay, so she has used the prop, that was the cards. She has used the cards as a crown, as her necklace, and she is holding few of her cards as well. The whole attire of this picture looks so amazing. Also, she is wearing white gloves, which is jamming with the picture. And yeah. So moving on to the next submission, which is by Bhavna Verma, and this is her picture. I love how she always stands out, and this time also she has nailed this look and nailed the challenge as well. Her expressions, her makeup is on point. I love how she used the spade symbol as a bindi, if you look carefully or very closely. So I love her makeup. And this time she has used the prop in its miniature form, which is super amazing. I totally loved the idea. Also, I think she has gone for a wooden box in which there is a hole at the end in which we can see her peekaboo, and the whole box is covered with the cards. I totally love this idea. Oh, great job, Bhavna. So moving ahead to the next one, which is by Anjali. So this is her picture. I totally love this picture. Look at her expressions, look at her pose. So composed and so graceful and elegant. And in this picture she is also giving an awareness to wear mask, yet being very playful and mischievous, which was actually needed and apt for this challenge. So great job, Anjali. And her next picture is this. I think this is exactly what Sneha did, but in this case she has not gone wrong with her shadows. She has perfectly portrayed her shadows, and this is what exactly I was talking about in the previous clip, to add shadows and glow while something is burning and you are holding it. So you have done a great job, and congratulations. So moving ahead to the next picture, which has been submitted by Reshmi, and this is her picture. Totally love how it turned out, Reshmi. Good job. Keep it up. I love her expressions, her attitude towards this picture. She has used a single queen card to display, and also I love the idea of putting all the symbols of cards, like there is diamond, there is spade, there is heart. So she has used all the mixture of cards to display on the background, so which is what I love in this picture. So keep it up. Guys, that was it. These were the participants with utmost creativity. So I am going to call all the participants now and urge for you to follow them, and this is a huge shout out to all of the participants in this challenge. Please do not think that you are less than them. You are equally good. Your expressions were cute. You used your prop very well. It's just that I wish to see more creativity in your pictures the next time you participate in the challenge. So the other participants are Candy Cane Missy. Huge shout out to Tamrakar Raisha, Sally, Amy Shah, Miss Jigglypuff, Vyas Anuk, and Lakshita 981. So guys, these were all the participants in the challenge. I so thank each one of you to participate in this challenge. Many more challenges are coming up. I wish to see more and more creativity within you guys because I love it. So that is it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Please do not think कि इसने अच्छा किया या मैंने बुरा किया. The participants were not in any order, neither in ascending order nor in descending order. Everyone was equally good. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, spread love, and bye.